Many of you wanted me to create a very easy monotone wearable eye look, and that's exactly what I did in today's tutorial. So let's get started and get into it. For this kind of look, we do not want our brows to be very thick and bushy. So I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz pencil in dark brown to carve out the brows. And now with any brow gel, use it to set your brows in place. Take any liquid concealer and apply that on the eyelids to create a smooth base. With the Lisa Eldridge eyeshadow palette in Cinnabar and going in with the shade Raw Sienna, with a crease brush from Jane Iredell, let's apply that to the outer corner of the eye and into the crease. We do not want very strong eyeshadows, so make sure this shade is close to your skin tone. Back in with Raw Sienna, let's apply that to the lower lash line. With the shade Deep Ochre, let's go and apply that on the outer corner of the eye. And now blend that into your crease. With the shade Deep Ochre, let's apply that color again. I can see that most of you are not subscribed to my channel, but you're enjoying my content, so please make sure you're hitting the subscribe button. And with the same shade, apply that to the bottom lash line. With the Jessup E04 brush and back into the shade Raw Sienna, let's blend that out into the skin tone. We want this eyeshadow look to be very soft and simple. Now with a detailed brush from Jane Iredell and with the shade Fired Earth, let's apply that on the outer corner of the eye. Build up the color slowly so that it doesn't look very harsh. And back into your fluffy brush, blend that out. With the shade Fired Earth, let's apply that to the bottom lash line. This is how your eye should look now. With the Colourpop E26 brush and the shade Lost Summer, let's apply that from the inner corner of the eye, going towards the middle. This is a beautiful eyeshadow to give you that perfect soft eye look. If you're enjoying this video so far, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel too. And now we're going in with the shade Deep Ochre and blend that into the shimmer. Now I'm going to be using a lip brush actually, and with the shade Fired Earth, let's apply some depth and smokiness to the upper lash line. With the NYX Epic Ink liner, which has a very thin tip, let's apply that extremely close to the upper lash line. And now go in with the Maybelline Tattoo Liner and apply that only to half of your waterline. Blend that off with your finger. Curl your lashes. And now back in with your concealer, apply that underneath the eyes to get rid of any fallout if there is. And now with the Patrick Ta Major Volume Mascara, we're going to be applying that on our lashes. This is slowly becoming one of my favorites. And there you go guys, this is the easy monochromatic look. If you really like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching guys, have a good one, bye bye.